Let's add him into the canvas, and damn, look at him. Actually, I loved his character in Kalki, but Indian too. I don't want to talk about it. Oh wow, now he already looks like Patrick. Let's fix these area. We don't need those fingers in there, do we? Now let's paint his face full to cover up his eyes. Mouth, it's basically picking the color and painting over it. Okay, that looks really creepy. Anyway, let's cut out the things we need, like the eyes, and keep them in place one by one. The image quality sucks a lot. Nicely fade the edges like that, and now the other eye, and fade the edges. I don't know why it's getting creeper minute by minute. We can't forget the mouth, keeping it right about here, and fading away the edges like this. I'm gonna cut these and change its shape later. Let's make those go up like this. Same for the other one. For his shorts, let's trace the shape. I guess we need to make him more round at the bottom. Also on the top like this. Now let's add some shadows to his shorts to make it look less flat. Tracing out the design on his shorts. Now let's paint the design. Adding his two legs in there. Removing the bottom area to make it look bit round rather than sharp. We can't forget the shadows. And we are done. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments section.